The condition of the Eklavya Model Residential Schools built by the Government of India in collaboration with the state government has come under the scanner in Meghalaya recently. This school at Naringri, near Rongden, had been sanctioned before 2019, but it has not been built by the MDA government yet. Similarly, the foundation stone of the Eklavya Model Residential School at Nankra Williamnagar was laid in March 2019 by the present MLA Marquis N. Marak, but the work of the school remains incomplete till date.
School yang digen cepedonai cengal sancet cem dia school English school ku kuliah de cem school ni bisa ranggo perene pagan ni mah ni ba daun wan digen dao hadal geni kolgur geni bonang plenjo kang busi de election ngi hai